Stacy, how do you know if you've hired an ethical PR professional?
Well, Philip Poole, I'm glad that you were thinking about that. I would remind us all here that as members of SPRF, of PRSA, Philip, you're also a member of RCC.
I am.
That we are one of 9 professional associations that have come together to agree upon, to codify, and to promote a single PR code of ethics. So if you're working with someone who is a member of any one of these 9 associations, you know their code of ethics.
And how do you hire an ethical PR consultant or PR company to work for you?
Make no mistake, Philip Poole.
Yes, ma'am.
And
by
all
the
of
way,
us
I am
here.
ethical.
And Philip Poole is a former member of the Universal Accreditation Board.
As is Adam Kelly.
As
who
is Adam Kelly.
represented
And
SPRF.
we may
on
have
the
some
board.
other folks here. We've had people, Dave Rickey, who is a member of BEPS, the Ethical Practices Committee. So you're in a room of people who have tied their career to being role models in ethical practices, as every one of us have by virtue of our membership. So how do you hire, how do you recruit someone who has a PR ethics code? Then you ask. You ask, what is your professional membership? And if they're a member of any of these 9 associations, then you know their code of ethics. Furthermore, if they are accredited, if they're APR, then they've been tested and they have passed testing in the code of ethics.
That's correct. And why is the code of ethics important?
I would suggest that the purpose of the code of ethics is to clarify, is to empower you, is to provide integrity for you, for your work with your colleagues. You are able to speak from a common platform, to have that lexicon, that jargon with your employer, with your boss, to know where we are in the industry. In fact, I would encourage us all to adopt just the language of ethics in our everyday speech. The words of free flow of information, advocacy, to adopt that language into our talk and let it work for you. PR ethics, take it personally.
Absolutely.